Hey, group of guys and group of girls, put down what you're doing, no matter who it is. We got a big show for you right now. Ladies and gentlemen, the Wolfman!
Thank you, Mr. Announcer, baby, wherever you are. Now, Mr. Announcer, I want to dedicate this next song to you, and it's called Wipeout. Wow, that song really wipes the Wolfman out, you understand?